Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to share with you all something very interesting. I've been getting a lot of messages, people asking me to share something for dandruff. Since it's winters, the scalp gets too itchy because it gets very dry. So something more conditioning, moisturizing, and to get good relief from your itchiness on the scalp. Today I'm going to be making an anti-dandruff hair scrub. So we'll quickly go ahead and start the making of the product. The basic formulation will be shared in the description box. For those of you all who wish to try it, these basic formulations that I share, these are equally effective, but the only thing is that you can use it for yourself. Commercially, for selling, you can learn the advanced formulations which we do during our workshops. So those of you all who are interested can WhatsApp me on the number that's given. So we'll quickly start now. Here we have our water phase and our oil phase. Now in my water phase, I have taken some water, glycerin, and a little bit of xanthan gum clear to give a very nice spread to your scrub. And here in my oil phase, I have my blend of oils, my waxes, my emollients, my moisturizing agents for my scalp, so that the scalp feels well hydrated, moisturized, and is not itchy. Now I am going to be using a little bit of bentonite clay to make the scrub, because bentonite clay helps to relieve the itchiness caused by dandruffs and it cleans your scalp. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I have heated both the phases here, and now I will add my water phase into my oil phase, and we'll give this a very good mix with our blender. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this well, and you can see how we have this lovely smooth mixture here, which will now thicken once the solution completely cools down. Now before the solution completely cools down, we'll go ahead and add our powdered ingredients to this, in which I have my bentonite clay, and for my exfoliating agent I have taken some jojoba beads. Now you can go ahead and use any other exfoliating agent of your choice, whichever you prefer. And we'll go ahead and mix all this together. Okay, so now we've put all our ingredients in this scrub of ours, and this is how it looks after it has thickened. Now the solution is completely cooled, so we'll go ahead and add our preservative to this, and we'll give it a final mix. And you all can see the lovely texture that the scrub has. Very easy to scrub on your scalp. To remove all the dead skin cells, to get relief from all the itching caused by dandruff, to get relief from all the bacteria causing dandruff on your scalp. This is an extremely good scrub that we've made today, and I will show you how smooth the texture is on application. You can see the lovely glaze and shine and smoothness of the scrub. So this is it, friends. This is a lovely anti-dandruff scrub that we've made today. And if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such formulations with you all, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, everyone.